A very pleasant morning to one and all. Today, I, Arushi Gupta, and my friend Vaishnavi Sharma are hereby going to present our activity. Attendance system of India is still manual, which creates a lot of problems and disturbances. So today, we hereby are presenting a new idea to change the manual system of attendance into a new one. Today, the theme of our activity is ensuring inclusivity and equality for all, and under which our sub theme is innovating to make our school administration, admission process, fee structure, and its infrastructure, especially for Divyang or Jan or differently able, more efficient and tech savvy. Though the world is altering with this fast paced technology, still the manual attendance system has not changed a bit. Still, registers are maintained and attendance is marked using a pen. Still, students say, "Present, ma'am." Why is that so? Is that very accurate? The answer is no. It has so many problems to deal with. Firstly, this system is totally dependent on skilled individuals. If a person who has the responsibility to take attendance is not available due to some reasons, then it becomes a cause for chaos and inconvenience. Secondly, it is time consuming and costly to produce reports. It takes up a lot of time, and when done on a regular basis, it comes out to be expensive and causes a lot of paper wastage. The next problem with this type of attendance system is that the entry of false information can take place, and thus there is a lack of security. There are chances of proxy, and such an important information may be insecure. Duplication of data entry is another problem in manual system of attendance. The data may get duplicated, which can be very dangerous, and many problems can also happen due to this. Lastly, this type of attendance system is quite inaccurate. This is so because it is manual and humans can make mistakes as it is their nature, which may cause any person inconvenience.
So, as a solution, we are planning to design a device named Scalia, which stands for Scalable Intelligence Automation. It will be a face recognition based attendance system, which will provide an automated attendance system that will be far better than the traditional one. It will be an eco-friendly solution as it will save wastage of papers. It will store data digitally that can be accessed by any authorized person from anywhere. It will be practical, accurate as well as a reliable device. The technologies that we'll be using in our device Scalia are programming language Python and OpenCV system will be used to develop software for the device, and we will use testing boards Arduino, UNO and Raspberry Pi 3 as well as Pi camera or any CCTV camera will be used. Our device, Scalia, will identify a student by comparing live capture face data with the stored face data of the student step by step. Firstly, it will capture the student's face data. Secondly, it will extract stored face data, and if both faces will match, then it will identify or recognize the student and attendance will be marked. This is a process chart that tells how Scalia will work as well as will help you to learn about our device in depth. Surely, it will be an effective step towards making our school smart as well as eco-friendly. Thank you.